Let's learn how to clear the cache on your iPhone. If you've noticed your device slowing down or experiencing glitches, clearing the cache can be a quick and effective solution. This will help you optimize your iPhone's performance and free up valuable storage space. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing that we will do is to force restart our iPhone. We can do that by doing the following things. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and long hold the power button. Keep holding the button and don't let go. Your iPhone will turn off, but you want to hold the button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. When you see the Apple logo, you can let go of your power button and just wait until your iPhone turns on. That is how you can force restart your iPhone, and that's the first step in clearing your cache. The next step that we can do is to offload unused apps. So if you have a lot of apps on your iPhone, they can store a lot of data and cache files which can slow down your phone. So what we will do is to go over to our settings and find the general section. Now open the iPhone storage, and that's going to show us a list of all the apps you have on your iPhone device. You can do this for the apps you don't use that often, or you can do this for any app. For example, I'm gonna open the Snapchat app here and click on the offload button. What this will do is it will clear the cache and delete all the unnecessary data that we have in the app, and then we can reinstall it. The app will be reinstalled and force updated to its latest version, so you will have a fresh new version of the app with the cache and the unnecessary files cleared. You can do this for your most used apps in order to make them faster and more responsive. It will refresh the apps on your device, and it will make your iPhone faster. The third step that we can do is to clear the cache manually on some apps. Not all apps have this option, but apps like TikTok, Snapchat, and other have the option where you can clear the cache manually on them. The option should be somewhere in the settings. So I'll open TikTok for example and go to my settings. I'll have this free up space option, and when I open it, I will be able to clear the cache and some downloaded files which I don't need. It's a good idea to clear your app cache regularly, because if you don't, it can cause some problems and glitches with your app, and we don't need that. So if the app has the option where you can clear the cache, you want to make sure you do that regularly. And I have one more solution for you if you want to clear your cache and speed up your iOS device. Let's open out Photos application and scroll down until you see this recently deleted option. When I open this, I can see all of my recently deleted photos and videos. This is like a recycle bin for your iPhone where the photos and videos are stored up to 30 days after you've deleted them. This is a pretty useful little feature, but it can take up quite some storage space and slow down our phone, especially if you record a lot of videos and take a lot of photos. If you don't need this, you can delete all of the photos and videos in here, and that way we'll free up some storage space and speed up our iPhone a little bit. And those are the 4 options on how you can easily clear the cache on your iPhone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.